Welcome to the heartbeat of the digital era, web development. Dive into the dynamic world where code fuels creativity, shaping the future of online experiences. From progressive web apps to AI-infused interfaces, join me on a journey of innovation and imagination. Get ready to unlock the secrets of the web's evolution. Subscribe now for a front row seat to the exciting future of web development. Web development refers to the process of creating and maintaining websites and web applications that are accessible over the internet. It encompasses a broad range of activities, from designing the visual layout and user interface to implementing the underlying functionality and ensuring seamless interaction between various components. Web development is generally categorized into two main areas: front-end and back-end development. Front-end development focuses on the user interface and experience, involving the creation of visually appealing and interactive elements that users interact with directly in their web browsers. Technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript play a pivotal role in the structuring content, styling elements, and enhancing user interactivity. Front-end developers work on crafting engaging and responsive designs, ensuring a seamless user experience across different devices and screen sizes. On the other hand, back-end development involves working on the server side of web applications. Back-end developers build the server infrastructure, manage databases, and handle server-side logic to ensure the seamless functioning of web applications. Programming languages like JavaScript, Python, Ruby, and Java are commonly used for back-end development. Back-end developers also deal with aspects such as authentication, authorization, and data storage, ensuring the secure and efficient operation of web applications. Web development often includes the use of frameworks and libraries that provide pre-built functionalities and streamline the development process. Additionally, web developers need to consider factors like web security, performance optimization, and scalability to create robust and efficient web solutions. The field of web development is dynamic, with continuous advancements and evolving technologies, making it essential for developers to stay updated and adapt to the latest tools and practices to develop cutting-edge web development experiences. In summary, web development is a multifaceted discipline that blends creativity and technical expertise to bring digital ideas to life on the World Wide Web. Now let's talk about how to start web development in 2024, or how to be a good web developer. Set goals and learn the basics. Define your goals. Before diving into web development, clarify your objectives. Are you interested in front and end back development or full stack development? Understanding your goals will guide your learning path. Understanding the basics: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML. Learn the structure of web pages, including elements, tags, and attributes. Understand styling principles, including selectors, properties, and responsive designs. Master the fundamentals of JavaScript, including variables, data types, counterflow, and functions. Front-end development. Learn front-end frameworks. Dive into React's component-based architecture and Visual DOM. Explore state management with tools like Redux. Follow official documentation and build progressively complex applications. Understand Vue's reactivity system and component structure. Explore rigs for status management. Build interactive interfaces and single-page applications. Learn Angular's TypeScript based framework for building dynamic web apps. Explore modules, components, and services. Follow best practices for scalability and maintainability. Responsive designs. Master the Bootstrap framework for responsive and mobile-first designs. Utilize the grid system and components for consistent layout. Explore utility-first CSS with Tailwind CSS. customize styles efficiently and maintain a modular approach. Learn version control basic with Git. Collaborate on projects using GitHub for remote responsibilities. Backend development. Choose a backend language. Build a scalable and efficient server-side application in JavaScript. Utilize Express.js for creating robust APIs. Explore Django for a high-level web framework with batteries included. Use Flask for lightweight and flexible backend development. Learn Ruby on Rails for convention over configuration development. Build web application rapidly with Rails conventions. Full stack development. Combine front-end and back-end skills to become a full-stack developer. Understand how data flows between the client and server. Authentication and authorization. Implement user authentication using frameworks like passport.javascript. Explore for secure authorization. Web security. Implement to secure data in transit. Validate and sanitize your user inputs to prevent common vulnerabilities. Understand and implement secure coding practices. Tools and workflow. Visual Studio Code. Set up a Visual Studio Code for an efficient coding experience. Explore extensions for enhanced productivity. Build and package managers. Use NPM or Yarn for package management. Understand dependency management and version control. Now let's talk about the future of web development. The future of web development holds exciting possibilities, driven by ongoing technological advancements and evolving user expectations. As we move forward, several key trends are expected to shape the landscape of web development. Firstly, the rise of progressive web applications is likely to continue. PWAs combine the best features of web development and mobile applications, offering fast loading times, offline functionality, and seamless user experiences. This trend aligns with the increasing dominance of mobile devices, and developers are expected to prioritize creating web applications that provide a native app-like experience across various platforms. Another prominent trend is the adoption of more advanced and efficient web development technologies. The use of serverless architectures, which allows developers to build and run applications without managing servers. Technologies like WebAssembly are also becoming integral, enabling high-performance web applications by executing code written in languages other than JavaScript. So that's it. Thank you for embarking on this web development adventure with me. If you enjoyed diving into the dynamic world of code and creativity, don't forget to hit that like button, share with fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe for more tech insights. Your support fuels this digital journey, and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and tech explorations. Until next time, stay happy and happy coding. Thanks.